We're getting ready to rake, getting the rakes all set up. What I didn't get a chance to film was the tractor driving along by itself while Sam was behind it adjusting the rakes, so that was fun. So yeah, I'm gonna learn how to rake.
We are making some beautiful windrows. I think.
Still have to do hedgerows here, and that's all I know about that. So raking is super fun, and I can't wait to do it again.
So it's hard to tell when the right time to bale is when you get unexpected rainstorms and there's rain in the forecast and there's been more dew than we thought. So we just decided to go ahead and bale and hope for the best. The bales that we did a couple days ago had a little bit too much moisture in them, so we've checked and re-raked and checked again, and we're hoping that it's right, but I like the way that the bales are looking. They're very square, rectangular, and green, and they just look awesome, so hopefully the quality is good and it does what it's supposed to, and we'll pick them up tomorrow. And that's Sam checking to make sure that that's not too wet down there before he bales it, but I think those are some good looking bales, so hopefully the moisture content is right and they don't get rained on again. Fingers crossed. So we're picking up the bales off the field, and I get to drive the big blue tractor back to unload the semi with, but I'm driving the little red tractor in the field. This is a pretty nice tractor though. It's a New Holland 8970. It's very fancy compared to the red tractor, but it's Daisy had to come say hi. She always gets so excited when we get off of the tractors. Or, what are you doing? Oh, you need a belly rub. You're just too excited though. You're too excited. Oh, you got all the cheatgrass. All of it. All the cheatgrass and the other little things. So, okay, I'm gonna watch Dad. Ooh, I don't know what he's doing though. Oh, that must have been a straw bale. Or not great. Hay bale. Jerking when I do it, but okay, so this is the start of Haystack 2024. Sam thinks that there's 143 bales, so we'll see as we get closer what we end up with. Right now we've got
knock one over. I just wonder how hard you'd have to push to do that.